Ripple is a peer-to-peer powered cryptocurrency designed to work seamlessly with the internet to allow a fast, direct, and secure way to send payments on the web. Ripple as a protocol is a system of the real-time gross settlements, which is known as RTGS, exchange and money transfer system. Another name is Ripple Transaction Protocol, RTXP, or Ripple Protocol. It is built upon distributed open internet protocol, consensus ledger, and its own cryptocurrency called XRP. So now let me take you to the history of Ripple. Ripple coin was first implemented in 2004 by Ram Fugger, a web developer in Vancouver, BC, Canada. In 2005, Fugger began to build Ripple Pay as a financial service to provide secure payment option to members of an online community via global network. On the basis of this protocol, a new digital currency system appeared in May 2011, for which its own cryptocurrency XRP was issued. This led to the development of new system in 2011 by Jed McCaleb. It was designed to eliminate Bitcoin's reliance on centralized exchange, use less electricity than Bitcoin, and performance transaction much more quickly than Bitcoin. If you don't know what is Bitcoin, the link is given. RTXP was launched in 2012. Its main goal is to ensure secure, instant, and almost free global money operation of any size without any chargebacks. The protocol supports systems with fiat currency, cryptocurrency, goods, or any other units like passenger bonus miles or mobile units. As per the transactions in this system are confirmed by the consensus of network participants instead of mining like in the Bitcoin network, it causes more trust of banks and payment networks. For example, RTXP is issued by Earthport Service Payment System, which is working in 65 countries, including Bank of America and the HSBC Bank. Today, XRP is amongst the largest digital currency in the capitalization. The concept. In Ripple, users make payments between themselves by using cryptographically signed transactions denominated in arbitrary real-world assets like dollar, gold, or euros. To this end, Ripple keeps a ledger which records debts between users that trust each other. In this way, all assets are represented as a debt. When a payment is made between two users that trust each other, the balance of the mutual credit line is adjusted, subject to limits set by each user. In order to send assets between users that have not directly established a trust relationship, the system tries to find a path between the two users such that each link of the path is between two users that do have a trust relationship. All balances along the path are then adjusted simultaneously and atomically. Mining. The system confirms transaction not with mining, but with consensus of the network participants. Such approach eliminates the dependence on centralized exchanges that are used in Bitcoin. Ripple also uses less electric power than Bitcoin, which deals are carried out much faster. Key advantages of Ripple. Ripple coin is powered by mathematical algorithms and obey fixed rules that can never be changed. That's what makes it secure and reliable. Because no person or organization controls XRP, it cannot be created, falsified, or duplicated. All payments are direct and peer-to-peer. It can be used without any third parties, intermediaries, or any other institutions. XRP plays an important security service within the network. Every transaction destroys a tiny amount of cryptocurrency as a transaction commission. This security cost is insufficient to any normal user. Even extremely high volume user will lose at most the equivalent of few pennies. However, abusive users who attempt to spam the network with excessive transactions will soon run out XRP and be forced to stop. Another security measure is to reserve system. The reserve is the minimum amount of coins needed for actions that require network resources. The account reserve is the minimum amount of digital currency needed to activate an account. It prevents the creation of excessive accounts that could overload the network. The action reserve is the minimum amount of cryptocurrency needed for each action that requires network resources. For example, each open trust line or open order in the distributed agency of currency exchange